As computational designers, we're highly focused on efficiency and digitalization, working with all the new hip tools. But we're also architects and designers, and we enjoy the old school flexibility that comes with freehand sketching. It allows us to think by hand. However creative this process may be, sketching collaboratively remains rather difficult. This was especially interesting for us in our modern work environment, with remote work gaining popularity, so we wanted to develop an interactive workflow to speed up the transition from the first draft on paper to a 3D massing and visualization. That's why we're introducing Mass on Speed, a workflow for sketching by hand, automating mass generation, and real-time collaboration. Well, almost. We were inspired by the use of color detection within the project Hybrid Co-Creation by Vicky, Egor, and Yosha, and wondered how we can expand this idea to enable designers to collaborate on real time in a remote work environment. The design process is captured as a live stream and the colors are detected. The information is then used for the generation of massing and vegetation. The geometry is then sent to Speckle and retrieved within Unity in real time for a rendered walkthrough. Thus, the user only needs to have Rhina and Grasshopper running in the background while actively using only the drawing environment. In our workflow, we also implemented a buffer logic that manages the live stream and the mass generation through color detection. This way, we adjust the processing rate based on real-time buffer capacity, ensuring output quality and preventing bottlenecks. The live input image can be provided by a camera, while the designers are sketching by hand or modeling using other colorful media, for instance, Play-Doh. To enable remote collaboration, the drawing process can be brought online with whiteboard applications such as Miro. Especially convenient for online meetings, as collaborators' actions can be viewed on the whiteboard, a live screen recording is all we need to feed the design process into the color detection algorithm. For instance, we can be in a Zoom meeting working on conceptual massing. Here, the farms drawn in blue translate to 4-story buildings, and the reds translate to 3-story buildings. The color green is assigned to vegetation and translates to trees, either singular or in population, depending on the size of the sketched area. With Mass on Speed, we hope to accelerate the massing process in the early stages of urban design, bringing back the tangible dimension as an efficient method of collaboration.